So guys, in this recording, I just want to say that if you want to build an ASP.NET Core website or e-commerce website, and if you'd like the session to persist like in e-commerce product cart application, and you want the session to be storing between the product and the cart sessions, cart pages, then I suggest you use ISession object rather than using IHttpContextAccessor object. This is because IHttpContextAccessor is a heavyweight stuff, and it is not good for testability of the web application, and it has got more coupled with the application. So instead, if your application is purely aiming for preserving the session and you don't want the entire request, response and other information, so please do use ISession object rather than IHttpContextAccessor interface and derive it in its child class. So let's do it that way. Okay, thank you.